guys, welcome back to Too Much Tech, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Rival 710 gaming mouse from Steelseries. Just doing a quick unboxing for this, as well as in the next few days or so we're going to be posting a full review. So the interesting thing about this mouse is that it has Steelseries really nice TrueMove 3 gaming sensor, which I'm a fan of since I've used the Rival 600 for an extensive amount of time, and it also has an OLED screen on it, which sounds interesting. It's on a mouse. I don't really think I'm gonna look at it that much, but I'm curious to see what it does and see kind of why people don't really talk about this mouse. So let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing and see what we think. All right, so go ahead and get this out of here. Rise up, whatever that means. It looks like a pretty cool mouse. Definitely a bit heavier than what I'm used to. You can actually swap out the sensor of this mouse too, so I think that is pretty interesting. Got another sensor right here. So this is the optical sensor that's already in here, and then there's a laser sensor. I don't know why anybody would want to use a laser mouse over an optical one, but yeah, that is available. So we're just gonna pull it apart real quick. Oh, this is just, I guess, something just that put Rival at the end of the mouse, so that's funny. So there are 3 side buttons. Obviously these are your 2 regular side buttons, and this one is probably for that screen. So I wonder if you put like a static image on the screen, if you're able to remap this and use this as a third mouse button. So that would be interesting. I'm curious to see if you can use that, and then that way it would make it a bit more similar to something like the Rival 600 with 3 side buttons on the mouse. So I think that would be pretty helpful. We probably got a cable in here. Oh, there's 2 cables in here. So what is this one? I don't know what that one is. Let's see. So it looks like they give you 2 different cables in the box. So you get this rubber cable right here if you want a little bit of a stiffer cable. I don't know why you would want that, but they also give you a braided cable too. So this one looks really nice. And yeah, once we get in the mouse bungee, I don't think the kind of cable that we use is really going to be that big of a deal, but I'm going to go with the braided cable instead of the rubber cable, because why not? Now, obviously your quick start manual, not going to use that because it's all in the software. So let's go ahead and plug this in. Kind of like how that snaps in there, but honestly speaking, this mouse is just really, this mouse is heavy as heck. It is ridiculous. This thing feels like a brick. There's no comparison. So this is the Model O, and then this is the Rival 700, and I kid you not, I genuinely feel like it weighs twice as much. Now in comparison, the Rival 600, it feels similar but still significantly lighter. Like it definitely feels like at the very tail end of the mouse is where all of the weight kind of is condensed, which is really weird for a mouse. Like it's very bottom heavy, which is strange to say. But yeah, it's not a balanced feel at all, and you're gonna have it on a table, so I don't really think that's the biggest deal, but it just feels weird. All right, so that's it for the unboxing for the Rival 700, or at least the mouse itself. Now we got this sensor, which is gonna be the laser sensor. Now I don't know why anyone would want to use a laser sensor as opposed to an optical one, but I guess the option is there if you want it. Yeah, this TrueMove 3 sensor is really good, so I don't see any reason to want to use this. So I'm going to put this back in the box because I think this is just going to make me play even worse, because I've been using optical sensors for well over a year now. And then Steelseries QC Vector mousepad. I doubt I'm going to use it because it seems like it's really small. So basically the mousepad was free with the purchase of the mouse on Steelseries website, and I believe that the sensor was as well, because I guess their plan originally with the Rival 700 and 710 was to sell separate sensors that you could buy individually, but yeah, I guess that didn't work out too well. But it's got a nice rubberized texture on the bottom, but it's just really small, and the texture on it is weird, so don't think I'm going to be using this. Alright guys, so that was just my really quick unboxing of the Rival 700. I'm going to try to use this mouse over the next week or so, see what I think about it. I don't want to review 2 products at once, because then I may change my opinion on, you know, another product if I get another variable in there. So I want to be able to keep everything pretty consistent, so it might take me a bit longer to use this mouse. But honestly, it's pretty heavy, and switching over from a Model O, I don't know how fun this is going to be. but we'll check it out. But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new, so you guys don't miss any of the content that we got coming up. Be sure to follow my socials as well, like my Twitter and my Instagram, to see what products I'm testing out while I'm testing them out. And yeah, like I said, stay tuned, don't miss a video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.